Hello students! For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to comment on your peers' work within Linguafolio, which is the e-portfolio for Contraseña. When you log into your student account, you'll land on the Insights page. From the Insights page, you'll see the calendar on the left-hand side. For this activity, we are going to access the menu located in the top right corner. From the menu, we will go to the project that we would like to comment on. Since it's project 1-1, that means Unidad Uno and the first proyecto in Unidad Uno. So we click Unidad Uno. And if you see from the drop-down menu, we have one Contraseña proyecto. Select Proyecto. From here on the left-hand side, you see Preparar, Publicar, Comentar, y Reflexionar. Since we would like to comment, we will select Comentar. From here, the projects from your classmates will appear. You can filter by particular projects or look at the project names. Project 1-1, Project 1-1. So we will select a proyecto. From here, we see the information as listed. We will click Post New Comment. From here, the menu throws up a text editor where we can type our comment, and at the end, we will select Publish Comment. For the sake of simplicity, I will say Buen trabajo. Obviously, your content needs to be a little bit more detailed. I will select Publish Comment. The comment is now published. I can exit out of Comentar, re-enter Comentar to find another student's project that I would like to comment on. Repeat this activity until the time is up and you've commented on the appropriate number of your peers' work. Thank you.